In today's video, we are going to explain the academic setup. In this software, first of all, we need to do the academic setup before going ahead to set up to admit the students or further activities. So, in students, there are academic setup. You can do that. Can go to here from this quick link as well. Academic setup. It will take you straight away there. And here we are going to do first section, add sections. So here is the add section button. Section A, save and new. Section B, save and new. And then 7 close. Yeah. Let's start. Refresh it. So these are the sections we added. Now in the second step, we are going to create classes. So here add class. Class name, I will start from the playgroup, and whatever sections you want to select for them, system will create both the sections for them. Save and new. Now I'm going to do the nursery, and both the sections, or I can select one and 7 close. So here class, and these are the sections. In the third one, subjects, here we can add the subjects. First of all, I will add English, theory, and I will give it a code. So my institute name is ABC Model School. So I will give ABC 1001. Save and new. Say maths ABC 1002 and 7 close. These two subjects has been created successfully. If you want to add more subjects, you can do the same here, and I will say social studies ABC 1003. Save and new. I will create one more subject, and that will be general science, and I will give the code 4. 7 close. That has been created. Now we are going to add the subject groups, and if you go on the subject groups, select name, give it general, class like group, section A and B for both of them. How many subjects? You can select all of them, and you can say general playgroup. Select this one if you want to give these information. Playgroup general. If you want to give these information here in the description as well. Save and new. I will say nursery general, class nursery for both of them, and nursery general. And 7 close. So they are created the subject groups which will be used uh, for examination marks and for the custom tables. Some class teachers we don't have any staff at the moment. We have not added them, so we can't assign any class teacher. Otherwise we can uh, select from here. The teachers list will come here and you can select it from here. We will do that in the next video. So this was the academic setup to start your institutional activities from here. Thanks a lot.